So I've collected some conkers from the park. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. This is probably not the safest way to do it, but I'm going to try and sort of pumpkinize them, see if it works. Don't really know how to do this safely. Ooh. Okay. That's not too bad. Oh, this is quite difficult. Ooh. I think he's kind of cute. Not perfect, but cute. Let's do another one. Let's do his eyes close together. Oh. Ow. Ah. Don't even know where the cut is. Oh. Ah. I think it stopped bleeding now, but I have a... ow. I have a better idea. Oh, it's kind of sore. This is going to be annoying. Okay, let's put the knife away. And... oh my god. Okay. And get the burny thing out. Pyrography. See if that works any better. Okay, I think it's hot enough. Oh, whoops. I'm scared. My thumb hurts. I think we can agree pyrography does not have the same effect, although it is less dangerous for thumbs. It's just not as good. Sorry squirrels, I took your conkers for no reason. Let's try it on here. This might be better. Oh, even with all the windows open it smells bad. Okay, that works a bit better, but the effect of it, I might as well just do it in pen.